Rana Farooq was on deputation in FIA from the police department and was posted at the FIA building for around last 8 months. He joined police way back in 1990 and was on duty when a lone terrorist tried to enter the FIA building. Though he was unarmed, yet he put up resistance. Consequently, he received 8 bullets and the splinters of a hand grenade hurled at him by the terrorist and died on the spot.
चला गया शीना जी मेरा बेटा चला गया मैं की
Rana Farooq left behind 2 sons and a widow. The elder son studies in 8th class and the younger one is 9-year-old.
वो रिश्वत के पैसे को उसने हराम समझा। उसके जितने भी बैजमेट है सब के पास गाड़ियां हैं, घर हैं अपने। तो उसने कहा था कि मैं एक सिपाही हूँ और मेरे ऊपर बहुत सारी हुकूमत की, बहुत सारे लोगों की जिम्मेदारियां हैं।
His family members say he was a brave and honest man who did his duty with full commitment.
पहले भी उनके मुख्तलिफ टाइम में 2 पुलिस काउंटर भी हुए हैं, उसमें उन्होंने 2 दहशतगर्दों को मारा भी है और डरते नहीं थे। वो बहादुरी का अपना जो ड्यूटी थी ना वो पूरी सही तरीके से अंजाम देते थे।
He was the sole bread earner of his family as his widow is a housewife.
Rana Farooq's family say he has sacrificed his life for the country. They demand from the government to support them and provide them financial assistance. Umar Farooq, Dawn News, Lahore.